Hey guys, happy Monday there. I had to stop that video there. I had it going. It's Victory Monday for your Chicago Bears. That was a kicking we gave yesterday to those Buccaneers. So good win for our Bears. So all for our Bear fans out there, we are going to the Super Bowl this year. Got my hat on, ready to go. All right, so let's take that away. Before we get to today's objective, I want to play a video for you. This has to do with Halloween since it is October 1st and has to deal with space and an asteroid that is coming towards Earth. And it's not going to hit Earth, so don't worry about that. So it's not going to hit us, but it's kind of cool and it kind of goes with the Halloween theme for the month of October. So let me make this bigger here and we'll watch this really fast. Put some sound on it. Here we go.
Asteroids are rocky worlds revolving around the Sun that are too small to be called planets. They are also known as planetoids or minor planets. There are millions of asteroids ranging in size from hundreds of miles to several feet across. In total, the mass of all the asteroids is less than the Earth's moon. Despite their size, asteroids can be dangerous. Many have collided with Earth in the past, and more will crash into our planet in the future. That's one reason scientists study asteroids and are eager to learn more about their numbers, orbits, and physical characteristics. If an asteroid is headed our way, we want to know that. Asteroids are leftovers from the formation of our solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. Early on, the birth of Jupiter prevented any planetary bodies from forming in the gap between Mars and Jupiter, causing the small objects that were there to collide with each other and fragment into the asteroids we see today. Understanding of how the solar system evolved is constantly expanding. Two recent theories, the NICE model and the Grand Tack, suggest that the gas giants moved around before settling into their own modern orbits. This movement could have sent asteroids from the main belt raining down on the terrestrial planets, emptying and refilling the original belt. You're probably not going to see it, but in 2018, a small solar system object is going to pay us a second visit since its discovery in 2015. It's called 2015 TB145, also known as the Halloween asteroid.
Cool.
Halloween asteroid will make its return in mid-November 2018.
Can I see that skull
This is according
face?
to a release from the Institute of Astrophysics in Spain. It makes a lap around Earth every 3.04 years. It also reflects about 5 or 6% of the sunlight that it hits, making it just slightly more reflective than charcoal for comparison. Astronomers also think it could be a dead comet. The asteroid gained attention in 2015 not just for its spooky looks but for its proximity to Earth as well. It came within just 300,000 miles of Earth, just farther than the Moon, which orbits about 239,000 miles away. However, in 2018 the asteroid is expected to stay further away, at about 105 Earth-Moon distances. It's expected to return on Halloween in 2088, when it will be about 20 lunar distances away. It's a fascinating object, and once the researchers knew it was out there, they made an effort to study it in more detail. Using a variety of telescopes, they were able to learn a lot about the asteroid during its 2015 approach, flyby and departure. The object measures between 625 meters and 700 meters. Its shape is a slightly flattened ellipsoid, and its rotation axis was roughly perpendicular to the Earth at the time of its closest proximity. Furthermore, its thermal interior, which is the amount of heat which it retains, and the speed of which it absorbs or transfer heat, is constantly with that of similar-sized asteroids. The reason it was undiscovered until 2015 was partly because it spends most of its time beyond Mars, and it's really small. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for...
Alright, so pretty cool, huh? Pretty creepy. That asteroid kind of looks like a skeleton. It'll be passing around Halloween time. Pretty far away from Earth, so no fear of it hitting Earth, but a pretty cool thing that's going to happen. And we'll get more into asteroids and comets and celestial bodies here in our upcoming units. So let's get rid of that, and let's get to what we're going to be doing today. We are going to be working with stop motion, most of you guys, and your objective today is to model the life cycle of a star. So similar to what we were doing last week, but now we are going to use what's called stop motion. This app is on your iPads, and you're going to make some videos using materials in the classroom of your choice to help you with these videos. So I'll show you a sample stop motion that I made, and when you use it, you have to take multiple shots of a frame. So if you set up an object on your table, you have to take between 20 and 30 pictures of the same object, then move it and take 20 to 30 more pictures of the same object to show it moving. So I'll show you an example here. It's not my best work, but it was fun to do. It was at a meeting too, so it kept me busy. So here we go. I'll make it nice and big for you guys. Let's rewind that. Oh, you can't even see it. I'm gonna get out of here. Let's rewind that. My face got in the way. The good old pooping snowman. Alright, so there's a short example of a stop motion video. So you got to take multiple shots to make sure you could be able to see your object moving across the table. So that's what we want you to do. And make sure your hands aren't in the view either. You want to keep it as clean as possible. So don't put anything, other objects in the view of when you're making your videos, because they'll make them that much better. So we want to have the best videos we ever had this year. Remember, our objective today is to model the star life cycle using stop motion video. So hopefully we do really well. Probably won't finish today. I'll probably go into tomorrow's class because you're going to have to evaluate each other's videos and critique them also. So much fun. And we'll have the rubric and everything on Google Classroom for you guys later. And also, it's a short week. Later again.